Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the construction and maintenance of roadways. They are responsible for gathering accurate data and measurements to ensure the safe and efficient design of highways. In the case of Palam Vihar, a growing residential area in Gurgaon, it is essential to have experienced and skilled highway surveyors to handle the increasing traffic demands. These professionals are trained to assess the existing road conditions, identify areas that need improvement, and propose suitable solutions. The SCON, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, Design, is one of the key aspects that highway surveyors in Palam Vihar need to consider. SCON systems are used to monitor and control various components of the highway infrastructure, including traffic signals, cameras, and sensors. By implementing an efficient SCON design, highway surveyors can enhance the overall management and operation of the road network in Palam Vihar. Palam Vihar, being a rapidly developing locality, requires regular surveys to ensure that the roads are designed and maintained appropriately. Highway surveyors in Palam Vihar conduct comprehensive surveys to gather data on traffic flow, road conditions, and safety hazards. They use advanced equipment like total stations, DGPs receivers, and laser scanners to measure and map the existing road network accurately. The gathered data is then analyzed by highway surveyors to identify potential issues such as congestion points, pavement defects, and inadequate signage. This may involve widening roads, improving intersections, adding pedestrian crossings, or implementing traffic calming measures. In addition to designing new highways and improving existing ones, highway surveyors in Palam Vihar also play a crucial role in conducting environmental assessments. They evaluate the impact of road construction on nearby habitats, water bodies, and communities. Roadway development and upkeep are greatly aided by the work of highway surveyors. To ensure the safe and effective design of roadways, it is their responsibility to collect precise data and measurements. To manage the increased traffic needs, it is crucial to have professional and qualified highway surveyors in the instance of Palam Vihar, a developing residential neighborhood in Gurgaon. These experts have the skills necessary to evaluate the state of the roads, pinpoint problem areas, and recommend workable solutions. Highway surveyors in Palam Vihar must take into account a number of important factors, one of which is the SCON, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, Design. Traffic lights, cameras, and sensors are only a few of the elements of the highway infrastructure that are monitored and controlled by SCON systems. Highway surveyors can better manage and operate the road network in Palam Vihar by putting into practice an effective SCON design. Since Palam Vihar is a neighborhood that is rapidly developing, it is necessary to conduct regular surveys to make sure that the roads are constructed and maintained properly. To obtain information on traffic flow, road conditions, and safety issues, highway surveyors in Palam Vihar undertake